Junior and Lucky's new video coming at you. Adult assembly required.
I've been looking to buy some boots.
We don't got boots around these parts.
But the sign.
They're not for sale, boy.
What do you mean they're not for sale?
I mean, they're not for sale.
Bah! Bah! Ah! Bah! Bah! Boots! Oh! Oh!
Scented candles make me train!
Ah!
You know, I was thinking, who played Willie in Free Willy?
William Shatner.
No. See, I was thinking Robin Williams, but, you know, I'm not really rolling with it.
No, Willie was, William Shatner.
Oh, you're trying to say Willie.
Yes, it
No,
was William Shatner.
It was Robin Williams.
I believe
I'm
it was...
almost sure it was Robin Williams.
I'm almost sure you're wrong, and it was William Shatner.
Robin Williams.
William Shatner. William Shatner.
Okay.
No, it wasn't. It was Robin. Oh! What you doing, Lucky?
Motor oil in the flowers?
Freedom!
Let's see a somersault, Junior. Good one!
Winter salt!
Yeah. Yeah, it was good.
Ah!
Silly Junior. Tires are for bicycles. Idiot.
Ah! Ah! Hey, Lucky, come jump.
Okay. But it's scary.
Oh. We should not be on here.
We have to go. We have to go. Oh my god. Junior, we have to. We didn't have a lifeguard. We didn't even have a lifeguard.
Go!